Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of your flight crew at Southwest Airlines, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Providence. We're going to ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all your carry-on items stowed until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. At that time, please use caution when opening those overhead bins as the contents may have shifted during the flight. You may now use the cellular function of your small portable electronic devices, but once again, please remain seated and leave all carry-on items stowed. Please be advised the aircraft doors may be open during ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. In the unlikely event that you happen to be connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check TV monitors in the terminal for the most up-to-date flight status and gate information. It certainly has been a pleasure serving you this evening. We know you have many choices when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Flight attendants, disarm doors and cross-check.